let's talk about one more stuff, objects in JavaScript. So simply when we talk about objects, okay. So object I was talking about, it's a simple thing which I am telling. The object type represents like one of the JavaScript data types, and it is simply used to store various like you can say keyed collections. Keyed means key value collection, key value collections, and more complex entities simply. An object can be created using the object constructor or the object initializer. Literal syntax. Okay. So suppose I'm just taking here var user, then here this way we can create the object actually. Suppose the first name Ajay, last name Singh. Okay, see, this is wrong. You do not have to take this, you have to take this. Okay, colon, my bad. Then role, suppose user or admin, whatever. Suppose email ajay123@gmail.com, let's say. Okay, so suppose these values we are having. Now simply console.log the user. You know this how to do. This is simple. Then next thing which would I want to discuss, that is simply if you want to give the values individually, that can also be done. Here you can see we are able to obtain this individually, and when we are printing the object, it is coming in this manner. And simply if you want to print the console stuff in the table format, that is also possible. Suppose I am printing this user here. Okay, so now this would be printed in the tabular format. I'm just making it here commented, and you can see we are able to obtain this tabular format also. So there are various functions related to the like console also. Console log we have seen, console table I have told you right away. In the tabular format you are able to get directly. So simply these are like this is the object data type.